Mama, yes, you. I am talking to you. The one that have baby on her laps, the one that is cooking right now while scrolling on TikTok, or even the one that have so many unread messages from friends and even your husband asking you, hey babe, what's for dinner? I want you to know something. That phone in your hand that you're using to scroll on TikTok, that you're using to scroll on social media, can actually put money in your account. This is not a get rich quick money. This is a steady money that can just cater for some things in your house, even cater for your skincare products, for your baby diapers, for just few things, light bill and the rest. Stay with me for a few minutes because I'm going to show you exactly how Nigerian stay-at-home moms earn from TikTok with just their smartphone, even when they are busy taking care of their children, even when they are busy preparing meals for the family. Don't go anywhere because it's going to be so interesting. Before anything, let me just be honest with you because I've seen so many people come online to lie about this particular thing. TikTok official creator reward program that pays people for views and engagement, people that are in places like UK, US, Brazil, is not yet available in Nigeria. It's not yet available for Nigerians. That means TikTok don't pay Nigerians officially for views and engagement. TikTok shop where creators sell products directly inside the app is also not available for Nigeria at this moment, as at the moment I'm making this video. So if you see any video online promising you that you can make money per view or you can make money from TikTok shop when you are in Nigeria, as a Nigerian living in Nigeria, know that they are lying, and please be careful of such page or such channel. Don't panic. I know you want to react like, how else can I make money on TikTok while living in Nigeria? Let me show you. Just give me a few minutes. I'm going to show you how you can earn. There are other ways big creators and even small creators earn money from TikTok while living in Nigeria. I am going to categorize this into 5 ways you can earn from TikTok as a Nigerian living in Nigeria. The first one is through affiliate marketing. The second one is brand partnership and sponsored content. Yes. The third one is sell your own product or skill. The fourth one, sorry, is TikTok live gifts. I am going to show you ways that you are going to make money on TikTok. Like, I'm going to elaborate on it. And if you have any question, please don't forget to ask it. While the fifth one is cross-platform income. Just hold on, don't rush. I am going to take it one after the other. First, let's go back to affiliate marketing and how you can earn on TikTok through affiliate marketing. The first and honestly the easiest one to start with is affiliate marketing. This is simple. You recommend a product to someone, then the person buys it using your special link. You earn a commission once the person makes payments. Now, let me show you how to go about it. Go on platforms like Jumia, Konga, Amazon Affiliates Program, Amazon Associates, or Clickbank. Go to this platform, create an account with them. It's absolutely free. Once you are done creating an account, you get your special link. Once you have this special link, come back to TikTok, create content revolving that special link. For instance, I'm into motherhood, right? I will buy this, I will see this product. This is my baby's tita. Once I see this product on any of the platform, you get your special link for this particular product. Then come back on TikTok, tell people why this baby tita helped your baby, why he or she was trying to teeth. You understand? While the teeth was trying to come out. I don't know if you understand. So once you create this content, you can add the link to your caption. But most times TikTok reduce the views or the visibility of this content because of the link attached to it. So the best way to go about it is for you to put the link to this product on your bio. Then after creating your content, put a caption that the link to this product is on my bio. If you want it, click on the link. Once anybody clicks on that link, it will automatically take the person to the place where the person will purchase this. And once the person successfully make payment for this, you get your commission. Let's move over to the next one, which is brand partnership and sponsored content. This one is also easy, but at least you need a few followers, maybe 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 followers who actually engage on your post, on your content. Okay, I don't know if you understand. Now, you don't have to wait for brands to notice you. You can actually go to the market, like I said before, pick this theta, then come back, make a video using this theta, telling people how this theta have helped you. The company or the brand might reach out to you telling you that, oh, they need you to create more content like this using their product, and that is where the payment comes in. You give them um your payments, how you want your payment to be made and how much you charge. Then you create content around this particular product. You can also walk into a restaurant, order food, review the food, make the post. Once there is some level of engagement on the post, the brand, the restaurant might reach out to you, and other brands too might reach out to you to create a content based on their own products. When they send you the PR package for you to, then you give them your how much you charge. They make payment to you in the comfort of your home. You will do all these things and earn money for yourself. The third way you can also earn from TikTok is selling your own products. Yes, sell your own product or your own skill. Let's assume you are a stay-at-home mom that knows how to braid and you give birth to a baby girl. You can start creating content around how I make my baby's hair, the different hairstyle you make for your baby. If you're a makeup artist, you can just create content making yourself up. If you sew clothes, you can create content where you are sewing clothes. If you bake also, you can create content. If you know how to prepare nice meals, you can also create content based on these things. Someone might pick interest on them and tell you, okay, oh, I want you to braid my girl's hair, I want you to braid my baby's hair, I want you to bake cupcakes for me, I want you to sew clothes for me. This is how you sell your own products. Create content around these things, post them on TikTok, share them to your Instagram, share them to your WhatsApp. Let people know that you can actually do something like this. And once they know about it, you see that there are so many people willing to pay you for your skill. And that is how you earn money with just your phone in the comfort of your home. Using what? TikTok platform. Now the most interesting one, TikTok live streaming. Yes. This is actually the one that I've been doing consistently for the past 5 years now on TikTok. So allow me as a TikTok live streamer that have been streaming for 5 years to tell you how you are going to earn money by just setting your camera and doing your daily activity while you are live. You just need your phone and you just need a good internet, because for you to go live on TikTok, you need a strong internet. Once you have this, instead of just scrolling, commenting on people's posts, just go live, sit there. If you want me to actually do a demonstration, like do a full video on how you can go about this, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can go live on TikTok, how you can start earning, what and what you can say, how you can make sure your live stream is bubbling, not the one you go there and sit for hours and you'll not see even a single soul coming, not to talk of someone to gift you. Like I said, as someone that been earning from TikTok live stream for the past 5 years, I'm going to make another video, a full video showing you how you can do this in the comfort of your home, and you withdraw your money. Yes, you withdraw your money using Payoneer or PayPal. It's as simple as that. And you earn in dollar too. That's the sweetest part. You don't earn in Nigerian currency, you earn in dollar. This have been saving me for 5 years now. This particular live streaming, it has been saving me for 5 years now. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a full video on how you can earn from TikTok live streaming. Fifth, and another interesting strategy on how you can earn on TikTok as a Nigerian living in Nigeria is cross platform income. Wait, let me explain. This is what most big creators do quietly. They do it jejely, and you will not even know. They just create snappy, short, and interesting content on TikTok just to drive audience. And once they get this audience, they successfully move them from TikTok to YouTube. Let's say I'm creating a content. Let's say I'm going to post this particular content that I'm creating right now. I can decide to make like a 60 seconds video on this topic that I'm talking about now. Once I make it, I'll post it on TikTok, make it interesting. And once I have many audience asking me about the things that I'm talking about now, I can now refer them to the link in my bio, telling them that the link is in my bio. The link to the full video is in my bio, so they can go to my bio. Once they click on my bio, they will now teleport to YouTube where they will see and watch the full video. Now you can see that I've successfully moved my audience from TikTok to YouTube where I am actually looking forward to be monetized or where I am monetized. Also, you can also move your audience not only to YouTube, to Instagram, where or to your affiliate platform, where you can run ad and make money. It's just as simple as that, and you can do all these things in the comfort of your home with just your smartphone and internet. So moms, what are you waiting for? I need you guys to start earning before the end of this month. As a new mom and as a stay-at-home mom, you might be asking, how am I going to do all this while still taking care of the baby? The thing that really helped me is batch creating. I can decide today that I'm making a video and I'll make like 5 or 10 videos in a day. Whenever my baby is sleeping, I use that time very well. My baby rarely sleeps, but whenever he sleeps, I make sure to use that time very well. So moms, you can actually do this in the comfort of your home. Please don't let anything stop you. Stop procrastinating. Stop saying I don't have good phone, I don't have good camera quality, I don't have good environment, I don't have good house, I don't have tripod, I don't have good lighting. You can actually create content with just what you have. If you don't have tripod, you can put up things, put your phone on top. If you don't have good lighting, create your content during the day. You don't have to wait till the night. There you have it, Mama. 5 real realistic ways you can earn on TikTok as a stay-at-home mom living in Nigeria. I've mentioned it before, but let me say them again. Number one is affiliate marketing. Two, brand partnership. Three, selling your own product or skill. Four, live streaming and getting live gifts. 5 is what? Cross-platform income. None of these are overnight riches, and anyone who tells you otherwise is just lying, is just not being honest with you. But with consistency, even if it is 15 minutes a day, you can build something real just from the comfort of your living room. Yes, I said this before. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share so that other moms can also benefit from this. And also in the comment section, tell me which of these strategy that you are going to implement. I'll be in the comment section and I will reply every single comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.